Log in to your account. Log in into your web hosting panel. If you don't have one, the link is given in the description to buy. Please check out description for best offers for the hosting. Once you log in into your hosting account, click on Advanced. Please wait for few seconds. Now your cPanel is open. Here you can check there are multiple options available, like you can create email accounts, database management, cron jobs, and WordPress installation. To install your WordPress website, simply search here for WordPress. Type WordPress and you can see that WordPress Manager by Softclass. Click on it. Once you click on it, click on Install button to install WordPress on your domain name. Here your WordPress setup is coming. Please be careful on this screen. Select your domain address here. Here you have to enter your directory. If you want to create WordPress in a subfolder, type in subdirectory. Otherwise you can leave it blank. Here you have to enter your WordPress website name. Here you have to enter your website tagline. In admin account, you have to enter your admin username and admin password. Please don't share these details with anyone, because anyone with these details can access your account and do whatever they want. So be careful and don't share these details with anyone. Cross check all details here. Once you confirmed with all details carefully, click on Install button. Here you have to wait for few seconds so that WordPress installation is completed. This screen can take a maximum of 1 minute. Sometimes it can be done in few seconds. So please wait for few seconds more. Here is a tip for you. Do you know WordPress is used by 50% of the web? Exactly, it's 47%. Please wait few seconds. Congratulations, your WordPress website is ready. Click on this link to access your WordPress website, and to access admin URL, click the below one. This error comes when you don't have SSL certificate. But don't worry, you will get a SSL certificate with your hosting account. Now we will click on Proceed to Domain. Congratulations, your WordPress website is ready. Here is your basic page of WordPress website. For more customization, you can check out our other videos. We will guide you here how to customize your WordPress website. Here, your WordPress website admin panel. You can manage your WordPress website from this page. Here you can manage post, media, pages, comments, plugins, themes, settings, and many other functionalities. This is your WordPress website homepage. You can design it using the custom plugins.